giving what it needs to give. Welcome back to my video, you guys. This is Deville here, and today I'm going to be doing a review for Good American since I'm an ambassador. And then I lost my voice yesterday. No, I lost my voice 2 days ago. It was super raspy. It's getting a little bit better from yelling at my sons. Y'all know them sons. It's crazy. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, and follow me on Instagram because that's where I post the most out of everything. But check in with me. Let's get into these. You know it's good. They didn't ship me not one, not two, but 3 packages, y'all. This is like so exciting. I'm trying on their spring collection for Good American. Shout out to Khloe Kardashian. This is my 2nd time being an ambassador for them. I was an ambassador for them last year as well. So yeah, let's get into these outfits, okay? Open one by one. I'm excited. Ooh, this is their swimsuit. Ooh, these were the flare jeans that I picked out. They're super cute. Wow, this red swimsuit is giving Baywatch. Like, I love it. They did that, like, for real. I got a size small/medium. I usually wear medium or a large in items now. Yeah, mama need to go on a real diet, not just one I be saying. But yeah, anyways, so I usually wear a size medium and large, give or take, but this is amazing. I love this, and I'm definitely gonna wear this when I need to go swimming. When I'm about to go swim, this is so cute. Let's go ahead and rate it as well. And this is giving 10 out of 10. I love that I sized down and it could still fit me. Yeah, they made it stretchable, and even the material, if you guys can see the details on the material, this is definitely giving what it needs to give. Ooh. Good legs flare. Inseam is 33.5. I'm on the shorter size. I'm 5'3", so hopefully these fit. And I got a size 8, and they are black. They a little long, honey. Let me show y'all so y'all can see them. They're a little long, but that's probably because I'm like, my hips are wide, so I'm like out of my size right now. So yeah, size 8. It's a little too long. We gonna make them work, honey. We gonna put some heels on. And if you're interested in any of these clothes, I do have a link in my link tree or in the description. This video. I would definitely rate these an 8 out of 10. I'm gonna say the 8 since they're so baggy at the flare part, and they're a little long. Think about it. The swimsuit kind of low-key goes with the jeans. You see that? Like, it's kind of a vibe. But I'm gonna put this first with it. Then this. I could wear like a little book bag instead, but I've never worn this, and I just want to hold it. I was not feeling that purse anymore. I changed my mind. I'm gonna throw on this bag. Victoria's Secret. Yeah. Doing a fashion show. We're gonna try on the next pants. Oh, this is the top. Oh, snaps. I got a medium. It's super big. Hold on. Oh, look at these white pants. These are tighter. Definitely tighter than the flare pants. Ooh. Hey, I love them. I haven't had white pants in so long. Dang, they tight though, honey. Pockets are kind of, since they're white, you can see right through. You'll see it through the pants, but besides that, they're really cute. Definitely want to give these white pants a 7 out of 10 just because they're like so tight. They're so tight, and then the pocket showing is kind of throwing me off. But I do like them though. They're cute. Okay. Alright, come here again. Love these. Opening the next one. Let's see. Oh, new jeans, baby. Yes. Oh, these are the good 90s black jeans. They're mid-rise. Oh my gosh. I found them on the 90s babies. It's really cute. Hey. Which one? They're so baggy. I got these jeans and they are, oh, the inseam is a little smaller on this one. It's 29. It's the ultimate skinny sculpting jean with extra stretch at flat tummy tech and a gap-proof waistband. Ooh. Now these, I'm excited to try on. Okay, I see the tummy tuck. Oh, let's pull one up, honey. I love how this doubles as a bodysuit. Swimsuit is everything. Like, I haven't took it off since I put it on. That's crazy. Oh, but look at these. I like these, okay? I love how they fit for one. Just put on my heels. I love how they're skinny jeans all the way to the bottom. Look at that. Yeah. This is my type of jean. They're fit really cute. Look at that. The booty is lifted, like, okay. Cute. I love it. What else do we have to open? We're gonna try on this top. It looks a little big, but I don't know. So let's get into it. Okay, this top, it's bigger than I would want it to be, so it runs larger. It's a size medium. I love it. I feel like it does fit like the Wild West. So I could go to a rodeo in this thing. And I even thought of, when I had just no pants on, I thought of the Lifetime movies, how a girl with a man and she don't have no pants on, just walking around like this. It's a cute oversized top, okay? I like it. And it's in size medium. So yeah, you guys, believe that is everything. We made it. Check out my TikToks, my Instagram, wearing these outfits. I'm gonna make more. But I hope you guys love this. Make sure you comment below your favorite jeans and your favorite top. I only had this top in the swimsuit and then the 4 jeans. But I hope you loved everything. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Bye.